guys, welcome to my channel. So it's another video that we are making today. Of course, I will be going to share with you how I process my tourist visa application. Okay, so to anyone out there that have been planning to apply your tourist visa to come here to the UK, so maybe I could or this video might help you. I have a list here to make it sure that I will be able to tell you every details that I did for my tourist visa application. Actually, I did not process I came from the Philippines and I was in Singapore when I processed my tourist visa. So, how did I process my visa from Singapore to the UK? Of course, my first tourist visa, I think I have some video before that I'm telling that I was denied twice for my tourist visa. So, actually, I applied 4 times tourist visa to come here into the UK. So my third and fourth was granted and the first 2 tourist visa was denied. So we are going to talk about denied visa first. Of course, why my tourist visa was denied for the second time or first and second time. The problem there, or there's some kind of we never provided, or it did not able to provide, was our finances. So that was really important, guys. Yes, I provide for the first visa. I was provided my I don't have a bank statement, but I provided the receipt of all my payment monthly, but unfortunately there's no proven that's what I am receiving monthly. There is no proven from my employer. And the second application was my boyfriend, and he's my fiance now. My boyfriend bank statement is not really like a longer 6 months. So the duration of the bank statement is 6 months. So that was the reason why I was denied for first and second tourist visa application. So in my third visa application, we have provided all these things and I write it down. So how did I process my visa from Singapore to the UK? There is a UK visa and immigration website, guys. So you might gonna go there if you're trying to apply a UK visa first. So you need to go first to their website and fill up a form. Just find a tourist visa. There's kind of a different visas that you could able to apply, and I applied the tourist visa. So I went to the website and filled up all the form, and after filling up all the form, submitting it, and there is some instruction that you need to pay straight away from the website. So those time last year 2019 when I applied my third visa application, was I paid for 174 Singapore dollar. Yeah, and then after I paid, I got a confirmation that I was already paid my visa application to the UK immigration, UK visa and immigration. I went to the website of VFS Global Singapore, where I can able to do my biometric. So what I did there, they have also some certain amount to pay for your biometric. So you need to fill up some form again there using the letters or like the code that come from UK visa application. So if you will logging into VFS Global website, you needed to key in as well those code that's come from UK visa immigration. So what they are doing, they're going to do in VFS Global is just to scanning your documents, all the documents that you needed, and I will discussing that soon after that, guys. Checking all your papers, so you're gonna do your biometric in there. Biometric means you're gonna do your thumbnails or thumbnails, thumbprint, and pictures, and of course you will going to pick up as well your passport later on, once your visa is done. But the document that you needed, guys, is I needed to provide my late husband death certificate, because when I applied here as a tourist, I needed to prove that, you know, because my sponsor or my boyfriend is, you know, he is my sponsor, right? So I needed to prove that I am not married and I am widow and single, so I needed to prove everything like that. So I provide the death certificate, or submitted the death certificate of my husband, and because I have children, so I needed to provide as well their birth certificate and a photocopy of my passport and original of my passport. And my payment for the last 6 months, including the signature of my employer and a letter of my employer that she know that I will be coming here to the UK, and she's aware of my holiday here to the UK. So yeah, I got some letter from my employer to submit as well, including to all the documents, and proof of our relationship. Of course, proof of my relationship to my sponsor is like our pictures together, screenshot of our video calls and chat, of course through WhatsApp, Messenger, wherever that you are doing your conversation or communication. You need to take that screenshot, and then you will include that to your documents, and a copy of my passport and original of my passport, of course. And for my sponsor, we provide also his passport, a photocopy of his passport, financial statements for the last 6 months, and mortgage of the house, employment contract, and my air tickets. That is also really important, two-way air tickets, guys. So my air tickets to coming and air tickets to going back. So that was really important as well, that you make sure before you will filling up a form into the UK immigration, making sure that you have already booked your air ticket. Without air ticket, guys, you can't really fill up a form to the UK visa immigration. So this is all based in my experience, guys. So disclaimer, this is based in my experience, how I process my tourist visa and everything that I provided for my tourist visa. And of course, it was also proven that I don't need to spend a lot of money while I am here, because my sponsor will provide everything for me. So I needed to prove as well that we also included those remittances that he have done to for my application while I was in Singapore. So I did not pay my visa, guys, to come over here. So everything was paid by my sponsor. So that will be easy. So to prove in that I did not spend any amount of my visa, and my sponsor was spent those money, so we need to prove that he sent me some money for these applications. That's the reason why we able to provide as well the copy of those remittances that he have done while I was in Singapore and apply my fiancé visa. So yeah, that's all, guys, that we have provided for my tourist visa application. And I did not use English test when I applied my tourist visa here. You will need only your A1 visa, A1 English test when you are applying a fiancé visa. So yes guys, so that's all, everything that we have provided. It was very, hopefully I was able to explain it specifically, everything that I have done for my application. So first thing that you need to do is book your air ticket first, before you were going to UK Visa and Immigration's website and fill up their tourist form, or any kind of, or if you will be applying for fiancé visa, spouse visa, or anything, you needed to have an air ticket first, and then you could able to put everything, those details of your air tickets. Because why I have told you that you needed to book your air ticket first before you go to the UK immigration is just because while you are filling up those forms, there is also some part of the application that they were asking you your date of your arrival and date of your arrival, and what I forgot what you have to call it, way ticket. Yeah, that's how I get into my mind at the moment. So you needed to put that on together with the application. So make it sure that you have an air ticket. And really important, very important things as well is the bank statement or financial statement. That is really important guys. That was those two things that needed, really important for this tourist application, is financial statement, and of course mortgage, where you gonna stay. If you have any hotel, you're going to stay at the hotel, you need to provide as well the hotel book. And yeah, that was all, everything guys. So if you have any more questions regarding tourist visa, please comment down below, and I will try to connect with you all guys, or respond with all those comment, and hopefully I will share with you all again soon about my fiancé visa. Hopefully you guys, I did manage to explain it everything with you, though I know I have tried to speak in English guys, because of, you know, there's some other nationalities as well that they were trying to apply their tourist visa here. Then I could able to help them through this video. So yes guys, so if you have any more questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So hopefully we'll see you soon in my next video. So if you have any more questions, just please comment down below. So thank you so much guys for watching. Bye. See you all. Mwah.